Hey guys, how would you like to have this in your garage? It's a 1968 Chevrolet SS Camaro valued at $150,000.
Let's go!
You won't be short on power with this beauty. It's a 396 CI Chevrolet big block V8 engine, turbo 400 automatic transmission and TCI 3500 RPM stall converter. Check out this showstopper of an exterior. It kind of reminds me of Bumblebee. You've got this factory butternut yellow with 2-inch reverse cowl bonnet, SS hood vent and 15-inch widened chrome rally wheels. Come in, take a seat. Check out this black interior with retrimmed black Recaro seats featuring these period houndstooth inserts. You've also got factory tick-tock tack dash. So guys, this has been fully restored, right-hand drive converted, and it could be all yours, but you gotta get your packages to get this in your garage. It's Jackie from Classics, where we proudly support veterans.